RO 1383 for Lieutenant Livingstone Biomeri. He was commissioned to officership on 8th of May 2017. He served in various units of Uganda People's Defense Forces.
Today is a memorable day that we are seeing of our colleagues who are part of the people who have made SFC what it is today. Right from PPU, PGB, to the command now. Retirement is one of the major life milestones that marks the ending of a chapter and the start of another.
You brought peace. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to tell you that soon or later, all these people that you see here and others will be joining you.
I joined PPU in 1988 when I was young at the rank of corporal. But because of good leadership, we were able to grow and become a senior officer.